you have a couch and some Wi-Fi? If so, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a $10 an hour opportunity so you can make money from home. All right, we're in my phone here, guys. You're going to want to open this app called Adipole. The link is in my description for download. And in this app, you have multiple different surveys with the dollar amount you could earn from it and the amount of minutes. So 65 for 7 minutes, $1.14 for 6 minutes, $1.52, 15 minutes. These are all doable. As you can see, my balance here, $2.07. You can cash out via gift card, PayPal, etc. The history survey. You get money just for the attempt, guys. You can complete referral bonuses. You invite more friends. You get 50 cents, my bad. And 10% of their overall earnings. If you guys use my referral code, that will help boost. And you can also refer others. This is just the basic way to earn more, as well as completing the offers. So just take time out of your day on the couch. I literally made $5 in 30 minutes. So the next 30 minutes, that's $10 an hour. If I can do this sitting on the couch, you can do it too. As you can see, we have as many surveys as possible. You can edit the settings. And for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to complete offers and get that money. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching this video. Romo fam out.